This video is for educational purposes only. It provides guidance on breastfeeding and breast pump use for new mothers. This content is not sexual or suggestive. Always follow safe practices when pumping and caring for your baby.
Hello, this is Milana. Welcome to this feeding session focused on relaxation and awareness. Settle into a position where your body feels stable and supported. Let your spine rest naturally and soften your shoulders and hands. Take a slow breath in and a long, gentle breath out. Begin feeding slowly and mindfully. Pay attention to how your body responds. Move with care and avoid rushing. If you feel tension building, especially in your shoulders or neck, bring your attention there and breathe gently into that area. This is a moment to slow down. Feeding can be a calm pause in your day, allowing your body to work naturally. As the session comes to an end, remain still for a moment. Take a few deep breaths and notice the calm in your body.